How's it going, everyone? It's Aaron, back at it with another Jeep Patriot video. It's very noisy. I am on the side of a road because the Patriot is up for sale, boys. Just want to make a quick little short video on the pinch weld mod since I get a lot of questions about it. So, your factory inner fender liner, it's gonna have a plastic piece that comes out right here. This is the pinch weld mod. Pretty much what you do is you just grind. You pretty much grind down and like hammer in that pinch weld that's here. Like I said, on a factory stock Patriot, you're gonna have the inner fender liner is gonna go down all the way down to here. Pretty much what I did in my scenario, I just cut and went down, and I pretty much just made a couple notches in this metal right here and just hammered it back. Ideally, what you should do so you don't get any rust. This isn't bad. This is literally just surface rust. But ideally, what you should do, you should add some like rusted metal and then coat it with some sort of really durable paint. I would go with bed liner if you guys are doing it yourself, but that's pretty much it. Like I said, there's that plastic. I know I'll link another video on to someone that actually does a very good job doing the pinch weld mod. And he actually doesn't even cut the inner fender liner. He actually just puts a heat gun to it and just flattens it, and it gives it a nice clean look, so you don't even have to worry about, you know, the ugliness of this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I wanted to make a quick little video on the pinch weld mod because I keep getting a lot of questions about it and whatnot, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick little video on the Patriot since it is up for sale. Like I said, it's on the side of a road and whatnot. But yeah, if you guys have any more quick videos you want me to make on the Patriot, leave a like, comment what you'd like to see next, subscribe to the